is the best aggregate.
Huh?
This is the best aggregate for this kind of place. Because it's a clay soil. And when
Plants
you
that
put,
you said.
Kalim.
This particular road, which was part of the funding by European Union, given to the government of Fiji through the Secretariat of the Pacific Community back in 2014. So we expected this road to be completed some time ago, but because of the number of issues that SPC had with contractors and getting the project started, Prime Minister's office had to intervene. And we took the chairmanship of this project to have this completed. And today we can see it's very successfully completed. It's about close to 70 kilometers of this road in the northern division in Lambasa, out of Lambasa. And on an average, there are about 21 roads for the three packages. And as you know, that cane access road is one of the biggest issues that we have in the country regarding the road when the crushing begins. And farmers need to have good access to take the cane out. And also the poor quality of cane road and the challenges the farmers have because of this change in climate, the impact of climate change and rain and other deterioration through flood. A lot of these roads were affected, not only in Northern Division but also in the Western Division. So this project was in three phases, one here in Koronumbu, and what's the other one? In Drasa. So looking at close to $40 million. And this particular project itself is worth $6.2 million. And it's going to assist 200 cane farmers. And as you know, that the Prime Minister always supported the farming community by providing budget to assist with the cane access road, the repair and maintenance and so on. And also the quality of cane road becomes an issue when the actual crushing season begins, for example now. And after crushing season, because when the roads are damaged and there's no access, then farmers don't want to plant cane. So as we have seen that we drove past, we see there have been a number of fields which are standing, but there are no farmers, simply because of the difficulties farmers had. So this road that's been done, 69 roads, close to about 45 kilometers of road, are going to save 200 farmers, and we expect that that farmers will make good use of this. And the road should be well maintained, and we don't expect someone to excavating or doing crossing the road with drainers and so. And you see the quality of workmanship is very good. I compliment the work that has been done, and will ensure that such provisions and support are given to the farmers on a continuous basis from the Ministry of Sugar.